What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me, y'all. That's me. Let's do some barbecue Cornish hens. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna do them in the oven. Yeah, make it easy for everybody. Everybody don't have a pit. I have a pit, but I don't know how to use it yet. So, I like Cornish hens, so that way you can have your own little piece of chicken on your plate with all the parts. Leg, wing, thigh, breast. Y'all know how a Cornish hen is. So I'm gonna spatchcock them, which means I'm gonna cut them down the back, take the back out, and let's put them in the pan. All right, be right back. All right, right here, got me a casserole dish that I'm gonna bake my Cornish hens in. Like I say, pretty much we're gonna bake them and make them. We're gonna make them barbecue. So right here, I'm tossing at the bottom right here. I just rough chop 1 small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, about 2 or 3 green onions, and 1 stalk of celery. And this is my bell peppers I had frozen, assorted bell peppers. So just gonna lay that at the bottom of this here, and we're gonna set the chicken. We're gonna set the Cornish hens on top of that. I spatchcock the Cornish hen, which means I cut the back of them out, so that way they can open up flat on top of these the vegetables. So spread that out like that. All right. Next, I'm gonna get the chicken. I seasoned the inside already. Then we're gonna put it in there, and we're going to season the other side. Then I'm going to inject it with some liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce. All right, that's good. All right, be right back. Y'all see, I got my Cornish hen in there. Got them down there flat with their legs crossed. And right here in my injector, I have a marinade. So this is Worcestershire sauce. This is liquid smoke, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, and about a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm gonna just shoot that underneath the breast. Let me go with this one. Shoot it under the breast. Like that. Right, just like that. And those breasts gonna be good, flavorful, and juicy. All right, be right back. Next, let me shoot up the legs. So I got them injected. I got them seasoned underneath. Now let's season on top. So on top, I'm about to use 2 different seasonings. I'm about to use Memphis barbecue seasoning, and I'm about to use McCormick's smoked maple barbecue rub. So let's do our Memphis style seasoning first, barbecue seasoning. So sprinkle it nicely on the chicken. Make sure that little wing gets some. Alright. Let's go to the other one. Show them rubbing it in. I like to touch my food, that way I won't over season. Okay. So, because the inside gonna be good already because of that. Good on that. Now let's put the smoked maple. Let's put the smoked maple on there. This here not too salty right here. This is more. This has more of a sweet taste. All right, so let me season this up right quick. Be right back. Got that good and seasoned. Now I got me about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna place them on the side of the chicken, like so. Just place them. I use this to give it a nice little flavor, like that. And I'm gonna put just a little water in there, just a little bit. I say maybe a fourth cup of water that I'm doing right here, because this chicken gonna make its own juice anyway. All right, after that's in there, now all we gotta do is shake it up real good like that. All right, let's cover it up with foil paper. I got my oven on 375. We're gonna cook these Cornish hens for about an hour, and we're gonna check the temp. So maybe an hour and 10 minutes till they're well done. And then we'll put the barbecue sauce on there, and it's gonna be good. All right, so let me go put it in the oven. See y'all in an hour or so. All right, y'all, there they go. I took them out the oven. I had them in there for an hour and 5 minutes. So what I did was, at about the hour mark, I took the foil paper off of them, and I turned the broiler on, and I let them burn on top for about 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. So now I got me some honey bourbon barbecue sauce, and I'm about to brush it on top. Where my chicken there? About to brush it on top there. Yeah, so brush that barbecue sauce on top. Then we're going to put them in the oven for just a few minutes to let that barbecue sauce go through there. All right, be right back. Get these babies good and tasty. Right, just took out the oven. It was in there for about 3 to 4 minutes on 350, 400, something like that. So now, just gonna go over it one more time with some barbecue sauce, and that's it. There go our barbecue Cornish hens. All right. Give y'all a taste later. Let me get my wild rice with mushrooms together. All right, y'all. There we go.